Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, piping hot, we're making a fish soup or a fish tea. We've got some wonderful Jamaican spices in there, some Scotch bonnet, pimento or allspice. When it comes to vegetables, anything really goes. It's really delicious. It's a nice kind of thin soup or broth, really tasty. Let's get straight in and do it. Okay, we're going to get straight into this one today. So you're going to need a large pot with a lid, and we're going to first of all start off by making a fish stock. So I'm going to add my fish. Now what I've got today is I've got some fish head and stuff like that. I mean, generally you'd use a kind of cheaper part of the fish for this. The fish head really works nicely. There's a bit of tail there and stuff like that. That's lovely. Now I'm going to add to this some peppercorns. I'm using a white peppercorn, but you could of course use the black. Now I just want to show you, I'm also using some pimento or allspice, which people often confuse with black pepper, but you can see the difference in the size. So in they go anyway, but a lovely flavour that is. I'm going to add some dried thyme. I've got some bay leaf there. I've got one Scotch bonnet or habanero. I'm using yellow. They come in several different colours. Fire, absolutely, really hot, but delicious flavour. And then we're going to add here, we've got some garlic and ginger, roughly chopped. To that also, we're going to add some salt. We're going to cover this with water. We're going to put the heat on. And we're going to bring that to the boil, and then we're going to let that go for about 20 to 30 minutes on a kind of rolling boil. I mean, if the water evaporates, you can just top it up a little bit. Okay, so we're back now. Now, some people would take the fish bones out and stuff like that and just put the fish back in, but I like to just keep it in just like this, keep it going like that, but that's up to you. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some vegetables. So in goes one spring onion or green onion or scallion. We're going to add now some cabbage, and then I've got some potatoes and onion, sliced onion. We're now going to top this up again with water. And as you can see, all the vegetables are chunky cut. Now regarding the vegetables that you put in, anything goes really. Green banana, yam and such like are very common in Jamaican cooking. But you don't have to do that. I don't actually have any green banana with me today. Some people would say you have to put that in, but you know, let's not worry about that. We're going to add some other vegetables soon, but what we're going to do now is bring this to a boil, and let me grab the lid, which is very hot. On goes the lid. Again, bring to the boil, about another 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, this has been boiling away vigorously. Just going to add a few final vegetables, and these are a little bit of tomato in the mix, and a little bit of zucchini, again chunky cut, and I've got some green peppers there. Again, we're going to pop the lid on. That's going to go for about another 6-7 minutes. We're going to check that for salt, and then it's done. Okay, and there we go. That's done for me. A beautiful, nice fish soup or fish tea. Check that for salt, like I say. Add any vegetables you want. Pumpkin's really good in this as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.